Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. In today's video, we continue heading south on Interstate 95 through northeastern Florida, covering mile markers 318 to 291. Theoretically, that's a 27-mile stretch, but by actual driving distance, it's just about 26.5 miles. We remain in St. Johns County as we pick up just before exit 318. The historic city of St. Augustine is located just a few miles east of the highway. That's to our left, accessible from that previous interchange as well as the upcoming exit 311. St. Augustine is widely recognized as the oldest continuously inhabited European established settlement in the continental United States, founded by the Spanish in 1565. Its historic district is a major tourist attraction, with cobblestone streets, preserved colonial architecture, and the well-known Castillo de San Marcos, a 17th century Spanish fort made of coquina stone. Visitors also come for the St. Augustine Lighthouse, the old jail, and the bustling waterfront lined with restaurants and museums. Though we don't enter the city itself in this video, it plays a significant role in the region's identity and economy. The surrounding area includes residential developments, wooded acreage, and a few scattered commercial centers just off the highway. As we continue south, the road is noticeably straight, bordered on both sides with thick stands of pine and palmetto. This part of Florida is relatively flat, with sandy soils and a mix of wetlands and upland forests that characterize the coastal plain. With few interchanges and long sight lines, this stretch of I-95 is built for uninterrupted travel. The speed limit here is 70 miles per hour, typical for rural sections of Florida's interstate system. We approach exit 305, which serves Florida State Road 206. This exit provides access to the small communities of Hastings and Crescent Beach. Also nearby is Fort Matanzas National Monument, a 1740 Spanish outpost built to guard the southern approach to St. Augustine. Visitors can reach it via a short boat ride from the Visitor Center. Continuing east, State Road 206 leads to the scenic Atlantic shoreline and the town of Marineland. Established in 1940, Marineland is one of Florida's smallest incorporated towns with a population of just 15 residents as of the 2020 census. The town is home to the Marineland Dolphin Adventure, the world's first oceanarium, which opened in 1938. Today, Marineland also hosts several conservation and research organizations, contributing significantly to marine science and education. A few miles further, we reach exit 298, where US Highway 1 crosses under I-95 once again. This interchange also provides access to Favor Dyke State Park, a lesser-known but beautiful natural area featuring hiking trails, camping, and canoe access to Pellicer Creek. It's a quiet spot for those looking to experience Florida's natural landscape away from the more developed coastal areas. We cross into Flagler County with a population of just over 125,000. Flagler has experienced rapid growth in recent decades. The county is a mix of suburban neighborhoods, retirement communities, and preserved natural areas bordered by the Atlantic Ocean to the east. Not far from the county line is the city of Palm Coast, the largest municipality in Flagler County. Palm Coast began as a planned community in the late 1960s and officially incorporated in 1999. Today it's home to nearly 100,000 residents. The city offers a variety of parks and trails, golf courses, and access to the Intracoastal Waterway. While it lacks a traditional downtown, Palm Coast is known for its spread-out residential communities and proximity to both Daytona Beach and St. Augustine. We conclude today's video at mile 291. Thanks for watching. A special welcome to our newest channel members, Christopher Wren and Fliptastic Flipverse. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment below, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip. It's a quiet spot for those looking to experience Florida's natural landscape. It's a quiet spot